Unlock a world of secure and anonymous online shopping with your Paysafecard gift card. First things first, locate the 16-digit PIN code on your Paysafecard gift card. This is your key to spending. Next, head over to the myPaysafe website or download the myPaysafe app and create an account. It's a quick and easy process. Once logged in, look for an option to add Paysafecard or top up your balance and enter that 16-digit PIN code from your gift card. Confirm the amount, and just like that, your Paysafecard value is now securely loaded into your myPaysafe account, ready for use. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase online, choose Paysafecard as your payment method at checkout on thousands of websites. You'll be redirected to log into your myPaysafe account to complete the transaction using your loaded balance without needing a bank account or credit card. It's truly that simple to use your Paysafecard for secure and anonymous online payments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.